Very good evening, friends and traders. I am Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming back to my channel, Smart Index Edge. Before starting the video, let me wish you all happy Yugadi with a quote. The story starts every day with the sunrise, and I make sure to paint it in the most vibrant colors. Let us not let monotony dull our journey. Each day is a fresh canvas waiting for our creativity. I wish you all a very happy Ugadi. May every day be a day of new beginnings, joy and success. Let me take you to the video strategy. Let me start it. This is the strategy overview. This is my simple strategy. When the market opens, everybody will have confusion whether to buy call or put, because market will be fluctuating in a different directions, so many violent directions, because it settles at one price in the pre-market, and it opens somewhere and it starts moving in both the direction. The first 5-minute candle, it will be red and green. It will be because price starts fluctuating. At that time, it becomes very difficult. Finding the direction is a very biggest task. So my 5-minute instant trend strategy, structured for the trend identification, working tremendously good, creating wow moments in trade. But still, the very first moment the market opens, CE and PE premiums become highly volatile, fluctuating significantly within the first 5 to 10 minutes. As soon as the market gaps up or goes to the level, the PE value will become very, very less, and you will be under confusion which direction, whether to sit on the put side or the call side, becomes a very confusion. The people tend to make mistakes by seeing the red candle and the green candle. So there comes it is a picture of confusion, total confusion. You will not be in a state of mind to decide whether to buy a call option or put option. Many people will do the mistake entering into call option, either call option or the put option, and they tend to end up with the loss. Here comes the relief. I will reveal a high probability strategy that combines modified Keltner channel and Gann-based levels and by calculated intraday levels to identify the perfect trade setup. Stay till the end to master this game-changing approach. This strategy uses a combination of Keltner channels, Gann-based dynamic levels, and pi intraday calculations to confirm the trade direction. We enter only when the option prices break predefined levels, ensuring we trade with the momentum and exit before it fades. So I'm going to tell you the steps. First step is add both call option and put option on your charts. First step is to note down the opening price of the first 5-minute candle on Nifty. So based on that, you are selecting the call option and put option. Second step is select call option and put option slightly in the money or at the money. You can go for that. Third step is to apply on charts. Next you need to add the indicators. I'm going to add Srinivas level 1 and 2 level for getting the GAN angle levels that I have explained in my previous videos. This has been, I requested this person, Srinivas, to make this indicator for me based on the calculation of 66.6 and 26.1 percentage of 90 degree. He has generously accepted and he has made the indicator for that. So I am thankful to him. That is one indicator we are applying it, which is calculated based on the previous day close. This is calculated based on the previous day close. Next, add Pi intraday levels indicator by Keanu. That is available, which I have already mentioned in my Pi video. So you can go to that and you can add this indicator, add Pi intraday levels indicator. And the next one is Keltner channel indicator. Keltner channel also, I made a video 2 days before to how we can tweak the Keltner channel to 0.66 and also 0.26. Now, what we have done is I requested a person, software engineer from Andhra Pradesh. His name is Chaitanya. I requested him by giving all the codes, source codes. All these indicators are combined together to form one indicator. He generously accepted this, my request, and he has combined all these indicators to form one indicator. So to get this indicator, do script code, do message me on this number. So now key things to note is we are applying GAN-based 66.6 percentage levels for key zones. That I'm going to explain you step by step. Pi-based intraday levels help adjust to live market conditions. Monitor the first 5-minute candle to determine trade bias. Trade only in the money options or for better probability or at the money strike price you can choose. Exit within the first hour to capture momentum. Key points is this is momentum based option buying strategy. We are used tweaked Keltner channels 0.66 and 0.26. GAN based 66.6 percentage and 0.26 percentage dynamic levels. They are dynamic. All are dynamic. Even though pi is a constant level, when it is turned for intraday, it becomes dynamic. It will be calculated using first 5-minute range. Direction, once the direction is confirmed, option prices above Keltner band and also 0.66 and everything, you are going to enter into the trade. Trade validity is for first hour only. Exit before the momentum fades, lock in profits. So this is a powerful strategy that eliminates guesswork. If you found this valuable, hit the like button and subscribe for more real trading strategies. Let me know in the comments what strategy you want me to break down next. Happy trading. Let me take you to the charts. To show you the overview. I've already applied Nifty based on the Friday's trading action. I've already laid these things. 23,500 call option on my chart and 23,000 put option on the chart. Here, let us start with the put option because market started down move as soon as it started going down. See here, you can see this is the first 5-minute candle of the put option. I'm taking the tool. Let me take the tool again. this tool and applying it. I've already mentioned how to tweak this. This is the Fibonacci tool, which I have tweaked it for my convenience with the 0.5 and 1. And the middle point, see, you can put a yellow mark on this. Let me go sideways. Let me mark this yellow mark. So this is the 0.66 level. And also this is based on the indicator, 0.66 indicator percentage on the previous day close. This is based on the 0.6. So it is negative 0.66 percentage. That means, let me take the circle and show you to have a clear picture on the how the price is reacting. Okay. Here, the price has come to this level. That is corresponding to minus 60 degree on the circle. It has come down to this level, and based on the previous closing level, the calculated level is giving 173 rupees. So then when it started, see, this is the, I made a balanced level. So circle has come over here. When we apply this, let me bring this. You must understand the concept, why you are doing. Unless you understand the concept, you are not going to take trade properly. You need to understand. See, this is based on this concept only. So from the negative angle, it started climbing over here, and the median line, this is the median line of the circle, that is 180 degree. It started moving above. See, immediately you can enter into the trade, keeping this little bit, giving buffer, the stop loss towards 168. You are entering into the trade around 178. By experience, you can also enter little bit early. You can plan for that. You can design your own things and there. And the Keltner channel, which has been tweaked for, this is the GAN levels, and the 66.66, and the red lines, solid lines, what you are seeing is for 26.1, and this is 66.66. These are the above level and the below level. The middle point is for the 180 degree. When the price starts climbing about 26.1, positive 26.1, then the market trend is decided and the market will go downwards. So underlying Nifty will go downwards. So you are entering into the put option. Once you enter into the put option, so we need a target for that. Entry is not only the thing, you should always have your exit also. For that, for the guidance of that, we are taking the help of pi indicator. Pi automatically plots these levels on the chart. You can see the labels also. In this indicator, you can enable whatever you want. This is the indicator. Once it reaches the maximum, you can see over here, these are the previous day intraday GAN angle levels. This is the green line is the median line, and these two red lines are 26.11 levels above and below support and resistance, and 66.6 above and 66.66. This is the 180 degree of the previous day. So when it reaches that level, 66.66, it has become 60 degrees on the previous day. This circle has moved higher like this, and the cycle it is facing resistance over here. And also you are getting a measured move. So you have entered into the trade around 178 and you have kept the stop loss around 173. That is only 5 points. That will be around 500 rupees risk. For the 500 rupees risk, you are getting from 178 to 230. Or you can exit whenever you want, 230 or 250, immediately you can exit. From 178 to 215, let us show on the calculator. 250 minus 178 with the risk of only 5 points, you are cashing in 72 points. Multiplied by 75, you are getting the amount 5,400 rupees with it for the single lot. You need to start with, you should not become greedy. You should start with only single lot and you should trade with the paper trading, because this idea is conceived by me. Until this idea becomes yours and you master this, practice this, you should not do aggressively. First, you should understand what is the basis of this strategy. This is how you can, after the trend identification, with the confirmed Gann levels and Keltner channel and also Pi intraday levels with as guidance, we are taking the trade. Let me take you to the call option, how it failed. See, immediately in the opening bell, it is in sync with the underlying Nifty. Nifty started moving down. The price started, you can see, all the price started closing below the Keltner channel. This Keltner channel is tweaked to 66.66. That means negative. The circle, the angle has become negative over here. It has come down and breaking below this 66.6, tweak to 0.66 Keltner channel is a guidance. It started moving down. So when here you can see it started coming down below the previous day Gann levels, and also it was testing this level there. When as soon as you see a resistance over on the put option, it started retracing back, and it was an unusual day. Yesterday, they trapped the people, whoever gone long, buying the call option, thinking that market is going to go up. They were all trapped. So market pushed the market, Nifty pushed higher, creating an illusion that it is going to go long. That was a wrong thing. It was like blindfolding the people. Though whoever entered in the call option without any analysis, they might have caught on the wrong foot. Again, it has continued downwards. You can see, I'll come back to the put chart. You can see how the market moved here from this level. It started its journey from 148 and it ended in 282. That is a more money when compared to the first entry. But we are going to do this. Every day will not be like this, because sometimes it will go sideways. The market will not move like this. Since it was a closing day of the week, Friday, and also there were 2 days continuous holidays, market behaved in this way. So this is how you can decide your call and put option with the help of these 3 things. And the basis for my this option buying strategy is of the Gann levels, Gann angles, and also Pi we have used. I have tweaked all these indicators which are dynamic, moving along with the price, so that they will be guiding you through the price. as soon as you enter, you will be guided through these indicators. So you are on the right side of the market, right side of put option. You have bought it and you are finishing the trade. The trade was over within 9:45 itself. So it was soon. Sometimes if the trend is on, it will not come back like this, and it will continue to the second hour, and then market goes sideways. So that will be the pattern usually on an average. But since it was a closing day of the week, and also there were continuously 2 days holidays in the market, the behavior was to trap the traders in wrong direction. Okay, friends, thank you very much. I hope this strategy will bring in change to your trades. Do comment in the comment section and start trading with conviction and confidence, so you will not have any jittery moments in your trade. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.